Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to set up Fingerprint in Windows 11 on HP, Dell, Acer and ASUS laptops step by step. First, I'll show you how to check whether your laptop has a fingerprint sensor or not. Many people want to use Windows Hello Fingerprint login, but they're not sure if their laptop supports it. So let's start from the beginning. First, you need to check if your laptop has a fingerprint sensor. Right-click on the Start button. Select Device Manager. Now expand the section called Biometric Devices. If you see names like Synaptics Fingerprint, Goodix Fingerprint, Validity Sensor, then congratulations, your laptop has a fingerprint sensor. But if Biometric Devices is not showing, your laptop may not support fingerprint. However, sometimes the fingerprint driver is missing. In that case, download and install the correct fingerprint driver from your laptop's official website. Now let's physically check the laptop. Fingerprint sensors are usually located on the power button, beside the touchpad, inside the touchpad corner, near the keyboard area, on the side edge of the laptop. It usually looks like a small square or rectangle sensor, so carefully check your laptop design. Now I assume your laptop has a fingerprint sensor and the driver is properly installed. Let's set it up. Right-click on the Start menu. Select Settings. From the left side, click on Accounts. On the right side, scroll down and select Sign In options. Here you will see all Windows Hello options, including fingerprint if it's available. Before setting up fingerprint, you must create a PIN. Click on PIN Windows Hello. Click Setup. Enter your current Windows password. If you don't have a password, just click OK. Now type your desired PIN number. Retype the same PIN to confirm. Click OK. Now click on Fingerprint Recognition Windows Hello. Click Setup. Then click Get Started. Enter the PIN you just created. Now place your finger on the fingerprint sensor. Lift and place your finger repeatedly until the setup is complete. Once finished, click Close. If you want to add another finger, just click Add Another Finger and follow the same process. That's how to set up fingerprint in Windows 11 on HP, Dell, Acer and ASUS laptops. Now, you can log in securely using Windows Hello Fingerprint. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.